Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. If it's your first trip here, where have you been? Today's recipe is crunchy tofu with sticky orange sauce. I believe this is the first recipe we filmed using tofu. Hope you like it. And it's even suitable for vegans, so I'm told. First we prepare the tofu. To do this, remove from the packaging, drain well and pat dry with kitchen towels. We're using tofu that says on the packet no need to press, so we're just taking them at their word. So when the tofu is nice and dry, cut it into bite-sized cubes. Then place the cubed tofu on a plate with 2 tablespoons of corn flour and salt and pepper to taste, and thoroughly coat in the flour mixture. Then set them aside while you prepare the sauce. And to do this is simplicity itself. Simply put the orange juice, sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, wine vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, ginger and chili flakes, all the amounts are listed in the description box below, in a suitably sized jug and thoroughly mixed together. How hard can that be? I was just thinking, darling, what the hell is tofu?
It's soybean curd.
Oh right, that's what it is. All I need now is some bugger to tell me what soybean curd is. Anyway, when you've prepared the sauce, it's time to start cooking. And to do this, simply heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's up to temperature, add the tofu pieces. Keep the tofu pieces separate because they do tend to stick together. Then continue to fry on a medium heat, turning occasionally till the tofu is nice and golden brown on all sides. And when you have something that looks like this, simply remove from the pan and allow it to drain on a bit of kitchen paper. Then in a clean pan, add a teaspoon of sesame oil, bring up the temperature and add in the mixture for the sauce. And simply continue to cook until the sauce reduces down and becomes thick and anxious. Then simply add the tofu to the sauce, mix through well till it's nice and coated, bring up the temperature and you're ready to serve. You can serve this tofu with noodles or rice, but we're having ours with stir-fried vegetables, as you might be able to see at the edge of the camera shot. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. We found it a nice change. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. As normal, bye for now.